Pertecnica offering training on piping design, welding, fabrication and inspection. Syllabus covered in piping design, process understanding, codes and standards, preliminary design, material selection, stress analysis, pipe sizing and routing, support design, valve and fitting selection, safety considerations, material traceability, final design. In welding, welding procedure specifications, welder performance qualification and procedure qualification record tests, preparation, fit up, welding, inspection. In fabrication, cutting, fit up, welding, assembling, surface treatment and pressure testing. In inspection, visual inspection, non-destructive testing, dimensional inspection, pressure testing, documentation, quality assurance and final inspection. What jobs you will get: piping design manager, senior piping engineer, welding engineer, fabrication manager, senior welding inspector, quality control manager, non-destructive testing manager, senior fabrication engineer, piping construction manager, senior welding metallurgist.